Ladies and gentlemen, hit that like and subscribe button for me. Let's talk about Hood stock. One of my Discord members did sell Hood at a gain. At a gain, he bought Hood and he held it all the way up to, and he was up like 300%. And then he held it all the way down, didn't sell, he didn't take profit when he was up 300%. And then he recently sold at around 60s. He still made money, just not the 300% because he didn't know what he was doing. He was still learning and trying to understand how the cycles work. Now he knows for next time, hey, I buy a stock in a crash and then sell in the bull market, rinse and repeat. You don't buy a stock and then hold it all the way up. In a bull market, you're up like 200, 300, 500%, and then you hold it all the way back down during the crash. So yeah, now he knows, right? He learned a very valuable lesson. Take profit in the bull run, right? Buy now while it's cheap. Sell it to the idiots who chase. They hold the bag. You make out with the money, right? He learned a very valuable lesson. So Hood here, I think this is bottom. It's following crypto. You can see here. Let's go to Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin? Okay, I can't find Bitcoin right now for some reason. Okay, there's Bitcoin. So let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has bottomed here at 60,000 since February 4th. MSTR, same thing, right? And then you go to BMNR, same exact pattern. So, what does that mean? Riot stock is a Bitcoin miner, right? It's just sideways here. It's not doing anything special. I think this is the bottom. I know some people are gonna be like, how do you know? I don't know, but man, I've seen this is the bottom. Is it behaving? I think it's the bottom. I am 100% confident this is the bottom. I don't see how this isn't. And I say that because everyone was being super pessimistic. Oh, we're gonna go to 50K, 30K, 10K. It's over. It's just never gonna recover. Blah 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 blah. At the end of the day, all these crypto, all these stocks that follow crypto, they will recover when Bitcoin goes back to all-time highs. Right when Hood here was at $153 on October 6th, right? October 6th, it was at $153. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin on October 6th, it hit a high of 126,000. Right? It follows it one for one, is what I'm saying here. So if you're buying Hood, you're essentially buying crypto exposure, whether you mean to or not. That's essentially what it comes down to, because it follows it to a T. Now, if Bitcoin's going to recover, which it will, it'll go back to 126 and then to all-time highs, new highs. Hood should go back to 150 and beyond. That is what one would expect. You go to the yearly time frame and look, the yearly time frame. It just keeps going up, greener after greener after greener. Of course, we're going to have bear markets. We're going to have crashes. So any crash is nothing more than opportunity. Quarterly time frame. You can see here, this might be this looks like a cup and maybe a handle forming here. Maybe it'll find support here at 60s and then go back up higher. Monthly time frame. Wow, it's trying to find it's trying to find a floor here at 60s. It's trying to find a bottom here because it's having its first green month. But then again, that doesn't mean anything because it's the beginning of April. So we'll see. We'll see if it gets a nice green month. But I believe the market is bottoming here, and we're just waiting on the whole Iran situation to play out, be done with, over with, and move on. That's what I'm thinking. Could be wrong. Maybe I'm off my rocker. I think this is a buy with a sell target of 100, 150, and 200, and I'll leave it at that, guys.